Melissa from Buckeye Girls Raising Things. It's a flowery spring day somewhere. Not in Ohio yet. It's kind of cloudy here. We are going to make some beef stroganoff. I got my noodles in. I'm frying up some mushrooms and onions. Some shrooms. Got the shrooms frying. And some onions. Then I'll throw the hamburger in. This is a half an onion and a thing of mushrooms. Get some shrooms fried. And I got a package of noodles cooking. But I'll get the shrooms fried first. Hey Teresa, we are making some beef stroganoff, just frying some shrooms. One package of sliced mushrooms, half the onion, got a package of noodles of cooking. To start off our dish, hey Kathy. I am covered up. I am totally covered up in getting stuff done for these craft shows. I'm over covered up. I already have asked friends that if I get too far behind, if they can bring stuff to one of my craft shows. That's how covered up I am. If I sell all of my things, can I sell your things if I can't keep up? That's a sad situation when you have to ask your friends that. And I have had to do that yesterday. I'm working on making 100 gnomes for my craft show. 100 gnomes. They're Christmas ornaments. Okay, got the mushrooms fried up. Got them about where I want them. Hey, kitty. Hey, Billy. Thad's out in the wood shop. He came home at, I think it was 2:30 last night. And he's already out in the wood shop. Okay. Now we'll fry up some hamburger. Yeah, I have 3 big shows that are September 19th, September 20-something, so it's a week apart, and then I have another big show, really, really big show, 3 weeks after that. And I I have two spring shows and then a July show. And I think I'm about showed out. About all I can do. Hey, Ronnie. Yeah, I'm actually blessed that I have friends that I can say, hey, if I sell all my things, can you help me? And they're like, yeah, sure. That's when you know you're a community, when you're not in competition enough to say, well, I'll just not attend the show. You can say, hey, can you help me? And they'll do it. I am making beef stroganoff. I'm frying the hamburger. I fried a pack of mushrooms and a half a cup of onion. Oh, and it had a teaspoon of garlic powder. You know, a teaspoon. Now I'm frying up some hamburger because I need that grease to make my thickening. And I got my noodles cooking. Thad's out in the wood shop, and I thought I'd cook him something nice. And he's been talking about how he's so hungry for this, and I never make it. I'm so abusive. You know. Hey, Josie. Hey, Shauna. And so I decided I'd be nice and make something that he said he was hungry for. Okay, let's turn this down on low, and we will put our hamburger in with the mushroom, because I don't think my skillet's big enough to hold all the things. And I don't know when he's coming in, so this will probably go in the refrigerator till he comes out of the wood shop. Three tablespoons of flour. Yes, I starved that man to death. He's so abused. You girls just need to, you just need to look out for him a little bit. He'll be telling you all, he'll build you ribbon racks if you cook for him. Hey, Linda. Hey, Lynn. Okay, this is a cup and a half of beef broth. And yes, I used a bouillon cube because I didn't have any beef broth around. But, so I used a bouillon. And I don't want this to be too hot, So I'm going to oh, Dad don't know how to make, Dad don't make those. Those are patented. I don't use enough mesh to, ooh, I don't use enough mesh to get one. I'm more of a grapevine lady. And I have a rack to put my wreaths on to design, but I don't use it. I'm so bad. I do them flat on the table so much, I'm not used to it. I am making beef stroganoff. I got a pack of noodles cooking over there. I fried a pack of sliced mushrooms, 1 onion. It had a teaspoon of garlic in it, and then I fried my hamburger. And now in this, I have done 3 tablespoons of flour, a cup and a half of beef broth. And this is a can of mushroom soup because I want it to be cool enough that when I put the sour cream in, it doesn't curdle. Y'all, curdled sour cream ain't good. Hey, Jeannie. Ain't no way around it. Curdled sour cream ain't good. Okay. And then we'll add our sour cream. That's the biggest thing on this recipe, is not to have your stuff hot enough to curdle that sour cream. You curdle that sour cream and it's ruined. Ain't no coming back from that. Okay, that's why it's on low, and we've kind of tempered it down to where we put the other stuff that's cool in there, so it ain't gonna be hot, hot enough to curdle it. Okay, and then I'll go in here, and then we'll just add our noodles in it, and our noodles is already cooked. You can put this in a slow cooker if you want to, but I don't know when he's coming in, so I'm going to just put all mine ready and cooked into the refrigerator. So whenever he wants to, he can come in and he can microwave it. You never know when that boy's coming in from his wood shop. Here's the noodles. Ooh, I know they're ready. I have this pan that's a drainer, and the big thing is don't burn myself because I'm really good at it with this thing. And there. Here's our stroganoff. Just give it a nice little toss. But like I said, this will go in the refrigerator because I don't know when he's coming in. It'll be ready for him to eat it whenever he's ready. You could put it in a crock pot, but there's no sense because I don't know when he's coming in. He's worse than me in the craft room. Sometimes I'm in the craft room until 2 o'clock in the morning. And I just keep making and making and making. And he's the same in the wood shop. Here's what it looks like. Lunch is ready. There's what it looks like. And it's ready, and I'll put it in the refrigerator for whenever he comes in. Hey Lynn, how you doing, girl? I seen where you went to the doctor and didn't have an appointment. I've done that a few times. Either that or go there and don't have an appointment, or don't go there and do. I've done that too. But thank you. I missed everybody. I'm going to be back on this week on Tuesday at 2 o'clock on my normal time. I'll be back to crafting. So if you want to watch me craft and make something, which I don't know what I'm going to make. I have angels to make. I have stars to make for my upcoming show. So I'm going to make one of those on Tuesday at 2. So I'll see you there. And talk to you later. I'm going to have some more YouTube videos coming out every other day, which I think tomorrow's the next video is going to have. I have a new video coming out on YouTube until April 4th. So if you haven't checked out my YouTube channel, go over there and check out my YouTube channel. Actually, I'm planning to make 2 brand new videos today. One is how to make sanitizer spray. And the other one is it's a tea, which you know I like to cook anyway. It's a tea for sore throats, and it's supposed to help when you don't feel so good. And you all know that I have allergies and I have sinuses. And I have sore throats a lot. So somebody told me that I needed to try this recipe, and so I'm going to try it on my YouTube channel. And maybe it'll help with my sore throats. Cross our fingers. But it was a Pinterest thing somebody found, and it really worked for them, so I thought I'd try it for me. So we'll see. Have a good day. Talk to you later. Bye.